Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Let A, B and C be the side length of triangle ABC. We are asked to show the following inequality, that is A over B plus C minus A plus B over C plus A minus B plus C over A plus B minus C is greater than or equals to A plus B over 2C plus B plus C over 2A plus C over A plus 2B. There is a useful substitution called Ravi Substitution. We state that for a triangle ABC, we can only have a circle and such that these two the same, these two the same, and these two the same. Suppose this is X, Y, and Z. Using the Ravi Substitution, this is A, B, and C, which means that A equals Y plus Z, B equals to Z plus X, and C equals X plus Y. Now we let J to be the left hand side of the inequality. So J will be Y plus Z over 2X plus Z plus X over 2Y plus X plus Y over 2Z. Likewise, we can let K to be the right hand side of the inequality. So K equals X plus Y plus 2Z over 2 of X plus Y plus Y plus Z plus 2X over 2 of Y plus Z and plus Z plus X plus 2Y over 2 of Z plus X. So with this substitution, we hope to show that J is greater than or equal to K. First of all, we see that J is actually equals to half of Y over X plus X over Y plus half of Z over Y plus Y over Z plus half of X over Z plus Z over X. Using MJ inequality, this is at least 2, and likewise at least 2, and the last one at least 2. So this is greater than or equals to 3. And we can also write the J in different ways. We can say that this is X over 2, 1 over Y plus 1 over Z, Y over 2, 1 over Z plus 1 over X, and Z over 2, 1 over X plus 1 over Y. Using MGN inequality again, this can be shown that it is greater than 4 over Y plus Z. And likewise for the rest of the term. So this is 2x y plus z, 2y, z plus 4, and 2z x plus y. So far, we have two inequality related to j. That is, j greater than or equals to 3, and j is greater than or equals to this expression. With this, we know that 2j is greater than or equals to 3 plus this expression. And for 3, we can write as 1 plus 1 plus 1. And therefore, this will be y plus z plus 2x over y plus z, z plus x plus 2y over z plus x, and x plus y plus 2z over x plus y. And now we divide both sides by 2, and we have j is greater than or equals to k. So since j is the left hand side of the original inequality and k is the right hand side of the original inequality, we prove that j greater than or equals to k, meaning that we have proved the original inequality. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.